I'm having the floors done here at the garage. This is where I'm going to be doing a lot of my personal work on race cars, side-by-side, stuff like that. Just got the lift. Actually just put the tarp over it, picked that up a couple hours away from here from a guy at the shop that was closing down. So I picked up a nice Mohawk lift. Gonna actually paint that up and then install that once these floors are done. But you can see now kind of where it's at. I can't walk on here, but let me zoom out. This is all grinded. So the first step they do here is they have like this machine where they grind the concrete down with diamond bits on them and smooth everything out. And I think they fixed some of the cracks or some of the lines in there, which is where you can see those lines there. But they're gonna be back tomorrow. I think they're gonna pour tomorrow. So, well, I just got over here. Guys are already left, but you can see they definitely poured and put the top on, just letting it dry. That's why the garage doors are still open. I still can't walk in there, but let's see how it looks. It looks awesome. I really like the color. The white, black, and gray looks good. Kind of blend everything, make the ground look good, and lose a bunch of bolts on there, I'm sure. They put the top coat on yesterday, and it's still drying. I can't pull any cars on it right now, but I can walk on it, he said. It came out really, really nice. Super happy with how it looks. You can see it still looks a little bit wet. It's still drying. He told me to give it a day or two, but he said I could walk on it. So yeah, next thing I'm gonna be doing here is painting the walls. Like I'm gonna do a line like probably 4 feet high and paint from there down to the floor like a dark, dark, dark gray. And I'm gonna get that taped up and start painting right now. Paint's still drying, but I am extremely happy with how it came out. Really glad I went with a little darker color than I was planning. I was actually gonna do like a lighter gray, and I didn't want it to blend in with the floor. So I really, it almost looks black, and obviously it's still wet too, so it's gonna dry a little bit, but I still gotta paint the door. And then I'm also gonna do like around the garage doors where that wood is. I'm gonna paint that as well. And that should be done. Next thing I'm gonna be doing here is putting the car lift in, and then I'm gonna start moving some of the cars and side-by-sides back into the garage.